My name is Kevin Acker, and I'm a senior research engineer in Autodesk Research's manufacturing industry futures organization, and I'm based in Boston. My team is a multidisciplinary, globally distributed team with a focus on next-generation design software, manufacturing technologies, and processes. Our teams explore emerging technologies and work in parallel with groups throughout the research organization and other parts of Autodesk to reinforce our corporate goals and to help our customers innovate in their industry verticals. My personal background is in mechanical engineering, additive manufacturing, and industry experience in applications and product development, which have all helped to shape the path that led me to Autodesk by providing the foundation to explore the areas our company and our customers are investing in. What I really enjoy about working for Autodesk Research is our focus on the future and identification of opportunities to elevate the capabilities of our customers in the design and manufacturing industries we serve, as well as the investment that Autodesk makes in our technology centers, which help enable us to get hands-on with cutting-edge manufacturing technologies like metal additive manufacturing processes. One thing I'm currently really excited about is the emerging trend I see in the adoption of computational design tools that will help overcome some of the limitations of traditional CAD tools that I know a lot of us have experienced, as well as help increase the adoption of advanced manufacturing methods and enable personalized products through the use of these design tools. I'm also seeing a convergence of hardware and software that I think will increase the viability of adoption of new design and manufacturing methodologies for more commercial applications across the industries that Autodesk serves. I'm personally really passionate about the work that I'm doing because of the growth of areas like Industry 4.0 and renewed investment in domestic manufacturing that we've seen in recent years. I believe Autodesk is well positioned to enable our customers to put new technology to work and disrupt the way we all design and make. Hopefully some of this resonates with you as well. Thank you.